How is everyone doing today? So I'm just over at the garden here quickly. I just want to show you some of the fall colors. I don't know if it'll show up well on the screen here, but the colors are amazing right now. Everything's so vibrant this year. Super early. It's I think it's October 1st today actually. And I'm trying to do this video quickly as the rain clouds are running into us again. It just rained for 20 minutes there. It's been on and off all day. But I figured I'd try to catch a quick video between all the rain. So today I just want to do a quick video on how to save dill seeds. Right now I think it's really important to be saving your own seeds with everything that's going on in the world today. And there was a lot of seed shortages last year, I believe. People were having a hard time getting seeds from the seed companies that they normally do get their seeds from. Luckily I ordered in January, which I usually do, to be on top of everything. But it's really good to be able to save seeds. Some seeds are a little harder than others, but dill seed today is what I'm going to show you, I hope. I think there's still some left on the plant, but this is the dill plant here, generally what it will look like. And we've had our first few frosts already, so it's looking kind of sad. So normally what it would do is put out a seed head, and that's what the seed head will look like right here. It's got all the seeds in it. And ideally you want to let it dry so it gets to the brown stage here. Let's see if we can get a different angle. Light's kind of hard today. But if I just take a little piece off here, there's a few seeds in here. Dill seeds are some of the easiest to save. And I'll just pop it in my little bin I brought here with me. So what I like to do, really, easiest way to save dill seeds is if you take the seed head here, break it off, put it into a little container, and just kind of just rub them together. And you get hundreds of seeds off of one plant here. It's quite unreal actually. And they usually seed themselves again, so you'll get seeds next year wherever you've been growing. So here we go. I'll dump them in my hand here. And there you go. You got some easily saved dill seeds ready for planting for next year. And all you have to do is pop them in a container with the lid on, and you're good to go. So there you go guys, just a quick little video on how to save dill seeds. I'll try to do one on saving tomato seeds as well, as they're pretty easy to do as well. And that way you guys can try to save your own seeds for next year and try to get ahead of the game if the seed shortage is really bad for next year. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Have a good day. Happy gardening.